Superman 2025 is going to be launching, and I'm super excited about it. David Corenswet, he's the actor who plays Superman, and I'm a huge Superman fan, and I'm sure you all are too, but this is the hairstyle that he has, and I'm going to break it down. This is probably a little bit shorter in through here, but let's just break down this haircut. These mannequins come with really long sideburns, so if the sideburns weren't there, just imagine it to like right here, okay? So I would say it's mostly done by hand. We're talking maybe like a ½ inch throughout the sides here, throughout the back, and the top, right? Everything flows into the top to where I would say this is probably a good 2.5 to 3 inches long throughout the entire shape, right? 3, maybe no more than 4 inches long throughout here. Depending on how high your forehead is, will be the determining factor of how long this should be. Just remember, because his hair is a bit on the curlier or wavier side, the hair will shrink up. So if you're getting your hair cut, make sure it's pulled down to about the bridge of the nose, because as it dries, it's gonna shrink. Don't get it cut this short, because it'll shrink up to here. So make sure you have some length throughout the very, very front. Also, all of this is layered. So his entire hair on the top is layered. So you have to make sure that when you're getting your hair cut, in order to have that look, especially if you want it more like how he has when he's like, walking through the city and, not Superman, it's more down like this, a bit more of the, textured, fluffier type of style like this, more in the face, okay? Then you need to make sure you have the right haircut for it. I would say tidal wave is going to be your best friend for achieving this type of style. You can even apply this. Now, this hair also is pin straight normally. The reason I was able to get this look, to make it look a bit more wavy and curly somewhat, is because of using my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, spraying a couple of spritzes when it was damp, and then using my blow dryer with the diffuser, and then using the scrunching technique like this, which is going to allow you to get more of that texture in your hair. Another tip when you're using Tidal Wave is you can spray it on when the hair is dry, let it settle in, and then you can scrunch it like so to kind of form it into that shape. Scrunch it like this, and then let it air dry. You can see it's already creating more texture. So a great cool thing about Tidal Wave is you can use it almost like to enhance the waves. That's the whole point of it. Now, if you want to have that look to where the hair is a bit more off the face, right? Kind of like when he is Superman, then you could slick this back, right? This is kind of all off the face and back like so. And, I'm gonna do this with water because this hair is styled differently. But just to show you how simple this can be done is if you spray your hair or you have your hair damp already, then all you need to do is, while your hair is damp, you can scrunch it, right? Get this water out of the way. You can slick it all back like so, and then you can just have that little scrunch right into here, right? You can twist the pieces if you want, and you can just pull down some of this hair right into here just to have that one area, okay? You can even have just that one little piece like this if you want, right? Or even, even shorter if you want, just that one piece right into here. And that's it. It's really just a matter of slicking the hair back and creating this kind of like twist and curl right into here, right? That's pretty much it. Then if you want to go back to it, you can shake the hair up like so, scrunch it, and you're back to, square one again. Keep in mind, when you spray the hair down with water, right? If your hair is not naturally wavy, if your hair is naturally straight like this, what's going to happen is anytime the water hits your hair, it's going to straighten out. So if you spent a lot of time getting your hair wavy and you spray it down with water, chances are you may lose that wave. So what I would suggest doing is really figure out which type of look you want for that day and style it based upon that. If you do want to have the hair slick back, then slick your hair back and use the diffuser, keeping it all back, and then you can scrunch it and kind of create like a swirl in the front. If you want to have your hair down like this, then you spray in the Tidal Wave, use the diffuser, and then style it and scrunch it so that you're getting that curl and getting that wave in through here. and that's going to be the style for the day. So pick one or the other. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can actually purchase them right here, or you can go to shop.thesalonguy.com and you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off. And just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. You've been all amazing throughout the year, and I wish you all many blessings and have a really, really safe Christmas. Thank you so much. See you soon.